Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Friday evening. We're here in Clark, Pampanga inside. So we're going to drink some coffee in Tom Tom's Coffee. It's a famous drink here, same like Starbucks.
Yeah, very popular place in Clark. It's same like Starbucks. How much?
Same. Same. Same.
Okay, let's go, Shaira. Push. Okay.
Tell me what you want. We are together.
Cappuccino grande, okay?
For you, up to you. What?
That's why I need
It's Ali. Ali.
Normal.
This is Ali. He from Saudi Arabia. Pilot from USA. What?
Qatar Airways.
Qatar Airways. Yes, he pilot. He invite us to this is cafe. Tom Cafe.
Yes.
Ali, so you stay in the Clark and you always go to
Yes,
here.
always I come.
So regular customer in cafe. Georgi first time. Georgi before been?
I was in Tom Tom's in Pattaya.
In Pattaya, same Tom.
Yes. But
He said in first time in the Philippines. Yes, Shaira, you can sit. Our order. It's together with us. So many beans?
It's like halo.
like halo.
What better, Shaira? Halo or is
I don't know. I will try
you
it.
don't know? Good? I will try also. Only cold. Oh, good. Red velvet.
I like this one. So what better for you, the cappuccino? Is Starbucks and what's sweet on here?
I think better in French cafe.
In French cafe?
Yes.
For the cappuccino.
Yes, for cappuccino, better French cafe. In Starbucks not good. They use I don't know. The milk they use. I don't know what kind of milk they use, but I don't like it.
It's skim milk.
Maybe